What up, people? What up, bro? It's your boy Ken and Corey, man, and I'm finally able to show you guys my new apartment. And I can kind of start to get into this whole series of what it's like to get a new apartment or move into an apartment, your own apartment here in Washington, D.C. So, as you guys can see, literally just moved in here. It's super empty because I haven't got any furniture yet. It's my first apartment here, and I'm starting completely over. So if you guys are interested in checking out what it's like to move into an apartment in Washington, D.C., then keep watching this video. But first, I'm about to go out into the neighborhood because I want some Starbucks. And it just so happens that Starbucks is literally right on the corner. This is the reason why I want to live downtown, because I can just go outside and get things that I need. You don't even need a car. I am going to get a car soon, but I'm just saying. And I'm sorry that it's like super echoey. It's because once again, I don't have anything in here. But yeah. I guess you can also say that this is an empty apartment tour at the same time. So maybe the first thing I should do before I get this coffee is show you guys around. All right, so this is a 1-bedroom apartment, about 780 square feet. It's on the 7th floor. I have a view of the courtyard, and it's a pretty nice apartment, pretty nice size. Let me see if I can turn some of these lights on. Some lights going, there we go. So you guys can see. It has its own built-in desk, which is like one of the things that kind of sold me. I have like a little temporary chair right here, but yeah, it's like a built-in desk. I also like the fact that there's a nice size bar. It's a high bar too. Like, I mean, I'm like, what? I'm 5'10". It comes up to like almost my chest. So people who are like 5 feet-ish, 5'1", 5'2", I know y'all are gonna probably not want to just stand here. I'm planning on getting some chairs for this bar. It's a pretty high bar. I like the style of the kitchen, full-size kitchen. Got the full stove, microwave. I already washed my dishes earlier because I popped a bottle of wine to celebrate moving in. So nice size cabinets, full refrigerator as well. There's that bottle of wine I was telling you about. And I also like the fact that this unit comes with like the pull-out freezer on the bottom. So I can see myself definitely storing a lot of meat and stuff in here, doing some more cooking. I plan on cooking more because I haven't been cooking as often as I should. I have a pantry right here, so I'm gonna be putting a lot more than just Oreos in there. Plenty of space it's a lot of space for like food and whatever I need. Full dishwasher. That's the bathroom, I'll go in there in a minute. But I know you guys probably want to see how big the 1-bedroom is. This is, oh yeah, I forgot there's no light. I mean, let me open up the blinds. I was literally about to turn on the light. I mean, there is a light, but it's closer to the like bathroom. All right, so here's the 1-bedroom. It's a very nice size as well. Honestly, I know people who have apartments just this size, just the size of the bedroom. It's the view, of course, outside again. But yeah, this is, I mean, I know this is like a wide angle view. It doesn't really give you guys the best like idea, a concept of how big this room is, but it's a pretty big size room. All right, so then there's a lot of closet space as well. Not like a lot like you would in a house. I gotta find the switch real quick. It's hard to like figure out the lights. Okay, where's this light? Oh, this light is over here. I forgot. Still learning. All right, so there's like a sliding door closet space right here. Really don't have, like I said, don't have anything in there really. And then here's a walk-in closet. Never mind my junk, but yeah, you have a walk-in closet here as well. So that's pretty much the majority of the tour. I mean, it's a 1-bedroom apartment. How many times? Oh, and the bathroom, of course. I haven't showed you guys the bathroom. Pretty deep tub. I actually took a bath already because I don't have a shower curtain yet. So I was like, man, like, let me go ahead and get that tub on. You know what I'm saying? I like the tub action. And then yeah, of course, it's the lighting. If you guys are interested in how deep the drawers are, they're pretty deep. You got plenty of space to put whatever you need. But I'm just, I'm a single guy, single bachelor, living the bachelor life. No kids, no wife, no girlfriend, none of that. So I have more than enough space for me, honestly. More than enough. I was actually prepared at one point to just only have a studio apartment, honestly. But this is definitely more than a studio apartment. But I just want to share it with you guys. But this kind of pretty much concludes the part where I'm giving you guys a tour of the inside of the apartment, but I want to show you guys all the different amenities as well as I head out to go get this coffee because I just need it in my life. It is so dope being able to just walk outside, and I'm downtown already. Like, that is probably my favorite part about the idea of living in a high-rise. Literally, like, grocery stores right downstairs. Like, that's how easy it is to just be able to just go get groceries. Literally just grab something, go back upstairs. I could cook. I could get some eggs right now and cook my first omelet. Now I gotta get pots first. But what I'm actually about to do is go ahead and go inside and get this Starbucks instead because, yeah, I just like starting my day out with Starbucks. All right, guys. So one of the benefits of staying in an apartment or a high-rise apartment, luxury apartment in DC is you get access to so many like amenity rooms like the one I'm in now. This is our, I guess, like our community room. So if I have like guests coming over and I don't want everybody in my actual apartment, we could come sit down here, probably have like a little game night, play pool, you know. They even got foosball. I don't think they have the ball for foosball, but they even have it though. You know, so this is like a little community room that goes along with the apartment. And then we also have like an outdoor area, which I've been seeing like from my window. A lot of people could be out here, but I don't ever see anybody out here. So I'm just, you know, taking in the vibes. My apartment is like one of these up there, but yeah, just to be able to catch the vibes and share this like area, I foresee being able to hang out here and really just vibe out here plenty of nights to come, or plenty days to come in the future. All right, let's check out the lobby, which is like the one last part. Okay, guys, so our lobby area is pretty much the area that people can like hang out in when they first come in the building. Well, once the concierge lets you in, because you can't get in unless you either have like a key fob or the concierge actually lets you in. So once you come in, you still can't come upstairs to anybody's room because there's also a key fob needed for the elevator. So the concierge lets you hang out in either the area downstairs or upstairs, which is what you're seeing now. It's pretty much just a lobby area, hangout area for people who are waiting to go upstairs. Or if you just want to hang out there in general, everyone has the opportunity to be down there and just kind of relax. There's Wi-Fi and all kind of stuff. But for the most part, that pretty much concludes the tour. I didn't show you the gym area, but other than that, this is pretty much my new apartment. And I'm gonna be talking about a lot more like living situations, or just what it's like living here in Washington, D.C. I haven't made as many videos as I want to make. That's because I was really focused on getting to this level, and now you guys are probably gonna see a lot higher volume of like content coming out. If you guys want to know how much I paid for the apartment or how much everything costs to get in, check out my last video. I talked about all that stuff, like the cost of living here in DC, and I talked about like signing the lease here and all that stuff. So appreciate you guys for supporting me this far, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys leave them down below. And also hit the thumbs up button on this video if you liked it, if it helped you with your purchasing decision. All right, guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.